Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Komoran KO 014 here with me for a quick review. And this is a pretty good knife, guys. It's I like it. It's an overall length of 7.9 inches with a handle of 4.5 inches, and it's a pretty cheap option. To be fair, I mean, it's going to be around $50, $40, something in that range, but actually it's not too bad. I mean, it's a titanium frame lock with stainless steel insert and 3D milled patterns going on the handle, 9CR18 MOV, full flat grind blade, runs on bearings. The sound, it's this. It's not bad, guys. I actually like it. This is a 3.375-inch long blade and almost all belly, and it's jimped. The grip, it's all right. There's a little bit of hot spot, of course, from this pretty big clip ramp over here, but he has a nice deep carry pocket clip. It's 3D milled in a nice way. Titanium back spacer. Guys, I mean, what can you ask more for this amount of price? This is like 3.8 ounces in the pocket, so super EDCable. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.